Hello, dear students. In this class, we are going to discuss some of the English grammar questions which have been already appeared in many exams. So let's begin the questions. Change the voice of the sentence. There is a sentence given over here. He took a pen. So we need to change into passive voice. Before changing into passive voice, we have to identify which part of speech these are. There is a sentence means there has to be subject, verb, object. So identify which one is subject here. He is your subject. Then took is a verb. A pen is an object. So next work you have to do is use the numbering method. Numbering. For object you have to give number 1, verb number 2, and for subject number 3. Now serial wise use those numbers. Which one is the first one? Object. So a pen, a pen, and next one is took. So the verb took becomes V3. So we know the reasons and rules that any verb that is in active voice while changing into passive voice it becomes V3. It becomes V3. Make it V3. Took V3 is V3 form of took is taken. Taken. A pen taken, and before writing the object in this place object you have to use by, because by whom the action is done? By he, means he becomes here him, he becomes him, she becomes her. So I left the blank here. Can you see there something comes there? Was, I'll give the option, was and were, is and have. Which one is the right answer there? A pen was taken by him, a pen were taken by him, a pen is taken, have taken. Which one is the right? Option A is the right one. I tell you why option A is the right one. Means was is the right one. Look at this example. The example is, the sentence is in simple past. Whenever you see, I'll tell you something there. Past tense, past tense. Whenever you see past tense, past tense में देखा तो was were was were करना. This is the rule. प्रेजेंट टेंस में देखा तो, प्रेजेंट टेंस में देखा तो am, is, are करना. What to do? प्रेजेंट टेंस में देखा तो am is are करना. पास्ट टेंस में देखा तो, पास्ट टेंस में देखा तो was were करना. एक्टिव से लेकर पैसिव तक इतना ही करना. You remember this one? You remember this small poem? प्रेजेंट टेंस में देखा तो am is are करना, पास्ट टेंस में देखा तो was were करना. Yes. So what is our question here? Past tense, right? So past tense में देखा तो was were करना. So was comes here. Why? Because the subject is singular. When the subject is singular, you may use is, was, and has. So here a pen was taken. Why? Because it is in past. A pen was taken by him. This is the passive voice of the given sentence. I hope you have comprehended this one. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you one and all.